Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing video of Jio Hi-Fi or JioFi M2, which is the Wi-Fi dongle from Reliance Jio. I have with me the Reliance Jio SIM, which comes in bundle with HP preview offer and the Jio Hi-Fi box. The box is priced at Rs 2899 and comes with one Wi-Fi router, one USB adapter, a cable, a battery and a warranty card. So let's check what's inside it. I'm unboxing it. It's packed quite nice and sturdily with plastic films all over. Sorry, this is my first unboxing video, so I am a bit novice in this regard. There's another sellotape. Okay, it's done. It's looking quite like a mouse, yeah. So here it looks like. It's shining here. It's quite shiny with a button. And I guess there's a WPS button. Yeah. And there's a USB cable for charging, I guess, and the flippable back cover for the back. The other contents of the box include a JioJoin SIM card, which contains some, I guess, activation procedure. Warranty card. It comes for 1 year warranty for the device and 6 months for the charger. User manual. The charger looks quite sturdy. The USB cable too is of good quality, which is a great initiative from Jio, because generally these modems don't come with a good charger. The battery too is quite good. It's China made and 2300 milliampere half battery. So as per the specifications, they say to convey that the battery will last for 6 hours. It's quite thick and isn't a band-aid one, but nevertheless it's good. So now to insert the battery, there's a black battery slot here. It's not that easily removable here. You need to have some sharp nails. I'll try to use a scissor here as well. It's completely plastic shell body. So finally, here's the inside of the device. It comes with an MAC ID, IMEI, SSN ID. There's a micro SD slot. There's a SIM card adapter as well. So another cost saving feature. So if in case you are using another SIM card, it will be helpful, but I doubt it will support other devices. We'll be checking it out in the review. So let's unpack the card. The card is new. I have already tele-verified it for accessing data. So we'll be keeping it intact without breaking it up anywhere. Please make sure that you insert the battery properly inside the case. So for closing, you need to go from this side, the non-button side, and then gradually push it toward the button side. Let's power it on here. So let's see how it goes. This is the button, nothing here. It's quite shiny. Wow. So there's it's some LED display here with shows the current status. This I guess stands for network registration. This is for cellular data connection, and this indicates I guess the Wi-Fi is on. So the red mark indicates something wrong with the network, and the green indicates that the Wi-Fi has successfully started and the router is ready to go. There's a notification LED as well, some battery status which you can see here. So it indicates how much the battery is present inside the router. It's easy to carry and quite cute looking, in fact, with all the LEDs. We'll be back with the speed test results. Until then, stay tuned. Thank you.